Arifa's eyes crinkle with love as she calls her bright-eyed 7-year-old son Khalid into the kitchen. Khalid's face lights up with a smile as he sees his mother waiting. Arifa's voice is soft but filled with warmth as she explains the importance of saying Bismillah before eating. Arifa's eyes shine with pride and tenderness as she tells her son Khalid about the beautiful Sunnah of saying Bismillah. Khalid's voice rings with innocence as he earnestly asks his mother to teach him more about the Sunnah. Arifa's voice is filled with warmth and sincerity as she explains how saying Bismillah brings them closer to Allah and blesses their food. Khalid's determination shines in his eyes as he embraces his mother's teachings, eager to learn and grow in his faith. Arifa's voice is filled with reassurance and love as they say Bismillah together, feeling the blessings of Allah envelop them. Arifa's heart fills with joy as she sees Khalid not only nourished physically but spiritually, grateful for the teachings of Islam. Arifa's voice quivers with emotion as she realizes the beauty of their bond, strengthened by the simple act of saying Bismillah. Arifa's heart swells with happiness as she witnesses Khalid embracing his faith, their shared love for Islam deepening their connection. Arifa's voice is filled with devotion and gratitude as they express their love for Allah, their hearts forever nourished by the blessings of Bismillah.